Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change default text to any custom text in order receive page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order receive page. Now you see title, order details, product, subtotal, shipping. So we are going to change it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to change default text into custom text in order receive page. Now you see text product, go to order receive page. Now you see product. Now copy this and then paste here, and then we are going to change it to your product, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order receive page. So we change this text. Now refresh the page and then you see product changed to your product. So if you want, you can change any default text into custom text. Now you see order number. So this is capital format. So right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then expand it. So this is real format or text. Now back to code. Now copy if condition and then paste. Back to inspect element section. Now copy order number. Back to code. Now paste here. And then you can add your text, your order, and then click on update. Now snippet updated. Go to order receive page again. Now close this and refresh the page. So by using custom code we change order number to your order. So you can change any text. Now you see payment method. Back to code. Now copy if condition and then paste. Back to page. Now copy this, back to code. Now paste here and then you see your payment. So you can add text according to your requirement and then click on update again. Now snippet updated. Go to order receive page. Now refresh the page. So we change this text payment method by using custom code, and then you see text change to your payment. So you can change any default text into custom text by using code, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So you can change any text. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.